Imagine taking a chaotic pile of project documents, invoices, and specs, and instantly turning them into a single, clean executive summary. You can do that with AI, but usually it comes with a catch. Every day, professionals waste hours reading lengthy product requirement documents or manually pulling individual line items from vendor invoices. It's tedious, error-prone work. To fix this, you might turn to standard automation tools like Zapier. But there is a hidden financial trap here. These platforms charge you for every single step. If you have a 10-step process, you pay for 10 tasks every single time it runs. When you start building complex AI workflows that require multiple steps to parse, format, and review data, this per-task pricing model actively penalizes you. It quickly becomes too expensive to scale across a business. That brings us to n8n. It's a visual, low-code workflow automation tool built specifically to orchestrate AI operations at scale without the massive price tag. Founded in 2019 by Jan Oberhauser in Berlin, n8n started as a fair code alternative to traditional automation. Recently, it secured $180 million in backing from investors like NVIDIA. The reason it is gaining so much traction is its execution-based pricing model. In n8n, a highly complex 20-step workflow counts as exactly one execution. It costs the same as a single-step workflow. This specific pricing structure, combined with its ability to handle deep technical logic, is why enterprise-grade AI automation is finally accessible and affordable for lean teams. Before we build anything, let's look at how n8n actually routes information. It uses a visual approach, much like snapping Lego blocks together. At its core, data flows in a straight line from a trigger, through processing nodes, to your target application. When introducing an AI agent, the path branches out. Data routes to a large language model for contextual decisions before rejoining the main flow. By breaking the process down into individual nodes, you take AI out of a mysterious black box and turn it into a controllable, modular tool where you dictate exactly how decisions are made. Let's put this into practice by building an AI document summarizer from scratch. When you start, you have a choice. Use the managed cloud dashboard or run the 100% free self-hosted community edition for strict data privacy. Both give you a blank visual canvas. Step 1 is establishing your starting point. You drag in your first node to catch incoming documents, usually a webhook or an email trigger. A quick warning, avoid polling triggers, which constantly check for new data. They will quickly burn through your monthly execution limits. Stick to webhooks, which only activate when a document is actually received. Now we add the intelligence. You drag a connecting wire straight from your webhook node into a new AI agent node. Inside the AI agent, you write your system prompt. We instruct the model to extract the total cost, identify risk factors, and generate a brief summary. Next, you test the node. n8n lets you preview the exact transformation. You can see your messy, unstructured text on the left and the neatly categorized JSON data fields on the right, ready to be used. To finish up, we map those structured fields into a Google Sheets node to log the data and connect a Slack node to alert our team that the summary is ready. In just a few steps, you've built a context-aware AI pipeline. You've orchestrated a complex data flow visually without having to write a single line of back-end code. This structure works across almost any role. Project managers can summarize PRDs, developers can monitor CI/CD pipelines, and business leaders can automate lead scoring and review decision briefs. But as you scale, be careful not to fall into the trap of complexity worship. It is tempting to build a massive 30-node workflow just because it looks impressive on social media, but over-engineering often leads to broken systems and maintenance headaches. Keep things as simple as possible. Because n8n uses a flat execution pricing model, you can safely scale these simple, high-impact workflows across your entire organization without worrying about spiraling costs. Effective automation depends on solving expensive business problems with simple, reliable logic. This clarity and utility matter far more than the sheer number of nodes on your canvas. These platforms remove administrative busywork, allowing you to apply your specific expertise to high-level strategy instead of manual data movement. However, remember that AI outputs are never infallible. They should always be paired with human review and critical thinking to ensure accuracy. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments which AI tool or specific workflow you'd like to see explored next. I'm Narendra Rathod. Be sure to follow for more insights into tech innovation and automation. Mastering these orchestration tools changes the way you approach operations. It shifts the focus away from managing manual tasks toward building scalable systems that work for you.